As we have emphasized in our library, the sales brochure was the principal way in which a manufacturer could extol the wonderful beauties of his automobile. But these beauties were presented in brochures which were rather dry, with pictures of the cars and lists of specifications. Coming out of the Great Impressionist era in the pre-Depression times, some manufacturers realized with the competition of great cars that they had to find other reasons to appeal to their customers. The Cadillac Company produced what they called the best sales brochure ever presented. In this, they analogized the beauties of nature with the beauties of their car. The images are wonderful and they're exotic in many different ways, particularly compared with the run-of-the-mill sales brochures of the time. Please enjoy it.